Hi, this is Norma once again, your math solution provider. In the previous video, we discussed simultaneous equation, we treated simultaneous equation using the elimination method. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about the substitution method. We'll be solving the simultaneous equations we solved earlier using the elimination method, but this time we'll be solving it using the substitution method. So let's take a look at this equation. Okay, let's use equation 2. Okay, we make equation 2, we make x the subject of the formula from equation 2. So you said from equation 2, okay, you said that x equals 4 minus y. Now, this equation, you substitute this equation into equation 1. So anywhere you see x, you put 4 minus y. So we now have equation 1. You have 3. Instead of putting x, you put 4 minus y, bracket 4 minus y plus y equals 10. Okay? Now, a set of equation, another equation is out. Yeah? A linear equation this time. You have 3 times 4, 12. Then you have 3 times y minus y. You have minus 3y plus y equals 10. Okay, so you collect like terms together, and as you're doing that, you have minus 3y plus y will give us minus 2y. Then 12 jumps over to the other side of the equation and becomes 10 minus 12. Okay, so you have minus 2y equals minus 2, y equals minus 2 over minus 2, which gives us 1. Substitute y equals 1 into any of the equations, and you have, let's put any of them, so let's put it in equation 2. You have x plus, instead of putting y, put 1, plus 1 equals 4. You have x equals 4 minus 1. You have x equals 3. Okay? So you can substitute these numbers into the equation and find out if our answers are correct. So we'll be trying this equation out. Let's see. Let's solve it using substitution methodology. So looking at it, you can see that it's just equation 2 that has something, so just something easy for us. So looking at the two equations, let's see. Let's work with equation 2 and let's make y the subject of the formula. So in making y the subject of the formula, we move 3x. So you said from equation 2, you have minus y equals 4 minus 3x. So y equals 3x minus 4. I hope you understand how I arrived at this. I multiplied both sides by minus 1. Now you put this, substitute this now into equation 1. Anyway you see y, you put 3x minus 4. So you have 2x plus 4 brackets 3x minus 4 equals 26. You have 2x plus 12x minus 16 equals 26. Collecting like terms together, you have 2x plus 12x will give us 14x. And move the 16 over to the other side. You have 26 plus 16. So you have 14x equals 42. And x equals 42 over 14, which gives us 3. Now we substitute this 3 into any of the equations to get our y. X equals 3 into any of the equations to get our y. So you have let's use equation 2. We have 3 brackets 3 minus y equals 4. We have 9 minus y equals 4. Try to find y, making y the subject of the formula. We have minus y equals 4 minus 9. Minus y equals minus 5. Cancel out, you have your y equals 5. So feel free to substitute these answers into the equations and find out if we are correct. So now we have this example. We have 4x minus y equals 17 and x minus y equals 2. So you can use any of them. Let's use equation 1. Let's make y the subject of the formula. Okay, so you have from equation 1, we have minus y equals 17 minus 4x. Okay, but we want just y, we don't want the minus. What we can do is that we multiply both sides by minus 1, which gives us y equals minus 1 bracket 17 minus 4x, which will give us minus 17 plus 4x, or you can say 4x minus 17. Okay, so we now substitute this into equation 2. Then we now have x minus our y is 4x minus 17. 4x minus 17 equals 2. So you have x minus 4x plus 17 equals 2. Collecting like terms together, you have minus 3x equals 2 minus 17, which will still give us 2 minus 17 is minus 15. So you have minus 3x equals minus 15. Divide both sides by minus 3. You have x equals minus 15 over minus 3, which gives us 5. Now substituting back into the equation, we have, let's use equation 2. We have 5 minus y equals 2. We have minus y equals 2 minus 5. Minus y equals minus 3. And our y equals 3. So feel free to substitute the answers into the equations and see if our answers are correct. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Please solve as many questions as you can on this topic. If you have any questions, any comments, or any topic you want us to discuss, please use the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video for notifications for subsequent videos. Thank you.